What are some of the things in your 20s you wish you knew back then? In your 20s?
To be... Let me think about that.
Mm-hmm.
Because I think that if I knew things that I didn't know before, I wouldn't have made the same mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
But I also wouldn't be the same person.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm glad that I was able to find out stuff by myself,
Mm-hmm.
to make my own mistakes, to learn from those mistakes. If I wish I knew something, I would be investing in Bitcoin at the beginning. That would be great.
I'm telling you.
But I mean, the mistakes I've made me the man I am today.
Mm-hmm.
And if I didn't do that, I wouldn't know where I would be today.
True.
Maybe I would have been greater than I am today. Maybe not. I don't know.
Mm-hmm.
I like the path I took, and I think I would make the same decisions.
Mm.